All right, guys, another quick video here. We're going to cover two topics. We're going to cover chroma keying or green screening, and we're going to cover keyframing. All right, so I have my clips here. I have my first clip here of me attempting to kick a soccer ball. And you notice I have the soccer ball on green screen. Okay, so what I'm first going to do to bring here is I'm going to bring me down. This clip I had of me. And I'll find the clip here. Okay, so we'll go out about right there. Okay, kick it away. Out. I think I did it a couple times here. So start about right there, I think. So I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to play it here. Yep. My very poor soccer skills, but it works. And I'm going to spread my clip out a little bit so I can have some more place to work with here on the bottom. All right. Now I need to place the soccer ball on green screen. So I'll take the soccer ball here. This is just an image. It's not a video. So I'm going to bring it down. Okay. So here's the soccer ball and I'm going to spread it out. So it's the length of my clip. You know, if it's video, it's a little different story, but since it's a picture, I can spread out. All right. Now I need to get rid of the green screen. All right. So by doing that, I'm going to click on the soccer ball, go up to my effects. I'm going to go to my editing window. I'm going to go over to effects here and get rid of the crop here. And I want to get to keying. And keying is in video effects right here. So open up video effects, go down, keying, click on that. And notice there's a lot of different things for keying here. The one we use for this one is Ultra Key. So make sure the clip is selected, the green screen clip. Double click Ultra Key, double click. You notice nothing happens. That's fine because we have to go back to the effect controls. We have to tell it what color to key out. And I'm going to scroll down. There's my Ultra Key. Now the trick is what color to get rid of. So get your little dropper tool, click on the dropper, bring it over and select. There it is. Okay, so now the green screen's gone. So that takes care of the green screen. All right, now we want to do keyframing. Now, keyframing is the object of moving an item that's on screen. Okay, you notice in this one, I'll move the soccer ball. Okay, so and the keyframes here, see these little circles here look like stopwatches? Those are our keyframes. We hover above, it's toggle animations. You can change the position, the scale, the rotation, everything. So for this example here, I'm going to start. I'm going to play it here. I'm going to have like the soccer ball come in from this side and hit my foot. But first thing, I'm going to make it a little smaller. So I'm going to bring the scale down just a little bit. About right there. And then I'm going to move it off to the side. About right there. I'm going to move it off camera. Okay. I'm going to back up a couple frames. So at this point, you notice here, at this point here, the soccer ball is right here. This position here, and the scale here. Now I'm going to set my keyframe by doing that. Hit the toggle animation, click and click. Now I can spin if I want to. I might do that here. We'll spin a rotation. You notice here, now if you see here, little small keyframes materialized. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my clip. I'm going to go by frame. And about right there, I'm going to have the soccer ball hit my foot. Bring that in. I'm going to bring it in. All right there. Bring it down about right there. And we'll spin it. We'll spin it a couple times. Do a couple full 360s. A full 360 here. Something like that. Okay. So notice a second keyframe appeared right there. I didn't change the scale because I want soccer ball the same. And then, so when I'm back up, and then I'm going to juggle. So kind of notice I'm just using my arrow keys frame by frame. Soccer ball comes in, boom, hits my foot. And now I'm going to juggle a bit. So I'm going to move it over. I'm going to have it bounce up. So maybe like right when it hits my foot here, boom, I'm going to raise it up. Raise it up, maybe over a little bit right there. A little higher. Soccer ball coming down. At this point down here, I want the soccer ball to start coming down. Bring it down. And over to my foot, a little bit here. Bring it down. You notice here, notice we're making keyframes. These are all keyframes. And then going up, kicked up. Or my foot goes, let's see, all the bottom here. I didn't do a really good job of keyframing, did I? And then all of a sudden my foot lifts up. I want the soccer ball to go up. Soccer ball go to here. Back down, and it's going to fall right back down to my foot. Right here. It's not going to look very good. It's going to look really choppy. Kick it up again, back up again. And then it will fall back down again. Up a little bit. Pull back down a little bit, back down. Back up again, tap back up again. So that's going to fall. At this point, the foot's going to come in. Boom. It's going to kick it right there. And it's going to shoot away really fast. I'm going to move it this way, then I'll move it up. It's off. Okay, you notice that look at all these different keyframes. Now, we'll see how poorly this is. And I did my keyframing. We'll go back and we'll play it. Click play. Now, okay, so my timing was a little bit off, but then I can go back in. If your timing's off, I can actually go back in, stretch this out over here, and I can actually grab a keyframe and you can adjust it and move it as you want to. Okay, dealing with the soccer ball like that is very difficult. You guys don't have to need something nearly like that. But remember that volleyball video we watched in class. This is how it's done. So that's keyframing. You can change the scale. You can change the rotation. You can change the position. You can change the opacity. You can make things, kind of appear, disappear. All of these are keyframes. Okay. All right. So try it out. Have some fun and see what you can do.